So you're stuck between Higgsfield and Artlist, right? Let me guess what's going through your head. I only want to pay for one. Which one's actually worth it? Honestly, that's a fair question, but here's the thing. These tools aren't really competing with each other. They're built to solve completely different problems, and that's what makes this comparison confusing. Think about the last video you made. What actually took the most time? Was it creating the video itself? Or was it searching for music, stock footage, sound effects, and all those little assets that make the final edit look professional? If your biggest headache is creating videos from an idea, then Higgsfield makes a lot more sense. That's what it's designed for. You start with a prompt, try different shots, adjust your ideas, and focus on getting the visuals you're looking for. Now, maybe you're thinking, okay, but I already know how to edit. I don't need another AI video generator. I just need better assets. If that's you, then I'd seriously look at Artlist. Artlist isn't trying to generate your video. Its job is to help you finish your video faster. Music, stock footage, sound effects, templates, creative assets. That's where it really shines. Here's where I think a lot of people waste money. They buy Higgsfield expecting it to replace their editing tools, or they subscribe to Artlist expecting AI to generate videos for them. Then they end up disappointed. Not because either tool is bad, but because they bought the wrong tool for the job. So here's the easiest way to think about it. If your biggest problem is creating videos from scratch, I'd lean toward Higgsfield. If your biggest problem is finishing videos and finding quality creative assets, I'd lean toward Artlist. And honestly, a lot of successful creators use both because they do completely different jobs. One helps you create, the other helps you polish. So before you spend your money, ask yourself one simple question. Where do I lose the most time every single week? The answer to that question will probably tell you which tool is the better investment. Now, I want to hear from you. If you could keep only one subscription for the next year, would you choose Higgsfield or Artlist? And what's the biggest reason behind your choice? Let me know in the comments because I'm curious to see what most creators actually struggle with.